Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we have the Comfort and Joy Inspiration Box. This is the November box and this just makes me happy. Look at that. That retro look to it is just super, super cool. So I haven't looked at it. I know what the set looks like, which it's super cool. But I'm going to go ahead and set this up to the side. We're going to open it up and take a look and I cannot wait. And yes, if you hear jingling in the background, it's the boys. They just woke up from a nap, so they are in prime mode. I'll tell you that much. Okay, ooh, this looks like some good stuff. All right, well, let's start with our pin like we always do. And look at that. It matches the stamp of the month, that adorable little bear. Oh, it's so cute. These are such good quality pins. I love these. So there's our little pin, super cute. I was actually just going to get started making some stuff with the stamp of the month. So that's inspiring. All right, we have our ribbon and it's Christmas colors. It's beautiful. You get about a yard each of 3 different colors. We've got this red, this green, and this silver. So gorgeous. So we've got that. Ooh, we have our Sequin Pack, which matches the ribbon. Check it out. And it looks like the red is like a total flat sequin. So it's a totally flat sequin. The green and the silver are more of like, they've got like the little beveled edge kind of thing. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, but that's really pretty. So, and it is a pack of sequins, I'll tell you that. All right. Oh, golly. Look at this, look at this, look at this. There's 2 stencils in here. Holy cow. Holy cow. Okay. Okay. I need to calm down. Oh my gosh. All right, so we'll start with one of the stencils. So look at this stencil. This is like a light stencil. So I just love this. I think this is so cool. So check it out. You would mask off this part of it, and then you do your string, and then each one of these is going to do, so you could do different lights. This is great. So you'd line it up, and you can see on the stencil that it has that indentation, so that when you after you've stenciled this one, you can move it up and line this light up with this little indentation, so that you know that everything's lined up perfectly, and then you just go down the line. So you can have 3 different colors on your light strand. I love that stencil. That's just brilliant. So we have that. Then we have this one. This is so cool. This is a wreath. So check it out. So you have your wreath, and then you can turn it. I think maybe, no, that's not how it works. Is it? No, that's, yeah. So you can turn it, and that way you'd get your different, 2 different colors on your wreath, and then you can either put stars on it, or you could put like little circles or little berries, you know, and then here's your ribbon. So your ribbon's going to sit in there just nicely, so perfectly. There is that. That's so cool. Then we have the die. Check that out. So this die measures about 4 inches by 4 inches square. Look at that. And you've got it. It could be like a snowy background, or oh, this is really, really pretty. I really like that. So there is our die. I love that they're including those. Ooh, all right, here we have our foilables, and I'm gonna have to, I was actually heading out today. My laminator died, so, and it looks like I'm definitely gonna wanna foil these. Oh, yes. So here is, you get 2 of each one. So here's one. Oh, here's the next one. It's like flowery, it's pretty. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty too. And then that one. So these just make for great backgrounds. You wouldn't have to foil them. You could sponge on them. You could Copic color or alcohol marker color on them, however you want to do it. But that is just beautiful. Love those. Yeah, I need to go get a new laminator like today. I can't believe my laminator died. I'm so sad. I guess I was using it a lot on a lot of things. So not just crafting. I was actually using the laminator. Okay. Now we have, oh, a glitter glaze. It's garnet glitter glaze. I don't have what this is going to look like when it's all dry, but I'm imagining that it will be a nice, beautiful, like deep red color. So, but there's your glitter glaze. Looks like this, but when it dries, it's a beautiful, like, color. So you know I'll be using that. That's so pretty. So pretty. And then let's pull out the paper, because I want to do the paper before I go into the stamp set, because that stamp set is just has my heart, I tell you. Here we have a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of glitter stock. This is their red glitter stock. I love it. It never comes off. Die cuts beautifully. It's just really just awesome. We have a dark red, a lighter red, a green, a craft color, and a white, and then we have our glitter stock. But these are a little bit more lightweight, so they're perfect for layering. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of cardstock and a full sheet of glitter stock. I love that. The value on these kits is just incredible. All right, and then our stamp set. Oh my gosh, our stamp set. I feel like I've rushed through this. Oh my gosh. Okay, check it out. Here it is. This is called Comfort and Joy, and it's so retro looking. Like, I love that old TV. The dog. The dog is like, that's my Lolly. Oh, and we can have a Max and a Miles too. And we've got a rug. We have the drapes up here. A really cool looking Christmas tree. We've got presents. The chair. You have a window over here. We have a menorah. That's fantastic. For my Jewish friends, that's wonderful. And then we've got this like patchwork home. It says home, and it's kind of in patchwork. Then we have welcome home or happy home. And then this one says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Oh my gosh, I love this. That's fabulous. So, so wonderful. All right, folks, so there you have it. All the wonderful goodies that come in this kit. All the paper and everything. I got to go get a laminator before I can actually work on anything, but as far as I know, as far as filming, it is still available, so I'll have it linked down below in the description box, and if there's anything separate available, I'll have those linked as well. If you like this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video that I come out with that will be using this. And yeah, that's it, folks. So I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.